Hey guys, it's ArchieLuxury. I'm in Sydney, and today guys, I am celebrating my latest acquisition. So let's do a bit of a Patek Philippe unboxing. This is a good example of what you get when you buy a Patek. So let's go. So basically this here is the first box. Now, this box here is what Pateks come in. It's a cardboard box, and basically it opens up to reveal, yes, another box. So, inside that box is, this is our Patek Philippe box. Now, this is the cardboard, so you've got the packing box, the Patek packing, the outer, and then you've got, this is the outer box itself. So let's open this up. Oh, it smells of money. And inside here, we've got a compartment tray. So this is where the books would go, and then the big box sits inside here. So this is the box, the outer box. Okay, let's get into the inner box. That's what we want. The inner box and sanctum. Let's have a look. Da 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 da. Voila! Boom. This is the Patek, the huge, the heavy-hitting wooden box. New money. Look at this. This is the box. Very, very reflective. Very, very cool box. And you notice the little Patek. It's very similar to the Patek buckle. So that's the little latch there. So it's like the buckle on the Tang buckle. Da 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 da. Bang! And here we have it. This is the Patek Philippe. This is my Patek Philippe with the new money. There we go. Look at this. This is the Patek Philippe. This is the box, and this is where your Patek resides. So that is the magnificent box. Now, I will show you something else. Interestingly enough, the actual box itself there, just give you a look there. There we go. That's our Patek Philippe. And we'll just take this off. Okay, come on, there we go. We've got the Patek Philippe, beautifully presented. So this is the little cushion, and it's got space for tools there. In the box itself, it's actually got a little hang tag, which we can use to pull out the tray. There we go, look at that. So I don't know what other purpose they thought this might have had, but yes, very interesting indeed. It's a beautifully made box itself. They're absolutely gorgeous. Now, okay, we haven't actually finished yet there. Obviously, the next part is the Patek Philippe itself there. So this is the white gold, 52.96. 52.96. Absolutely gorgeous piece there. You've also got your paperwork. So what you actually get is this folder, which has Patek Philippe. It has the model number and the serial numbers for your piece. Oh, some people cover these up, but I don't give a fuck. I'm more than happy to have that in my vid. Nothing. And we'll open this up, and then we have the beautiful leather folder, Patek Philippe, which has some further paperwork inside. So what we have inside here is we have a Patek Philippe book. This is on movements. So it tells you, basically this is an instruction guide to use for your Patek Philippe. So in a host of languages. Then we have, this is the papers, the certificate of origin, and these are quite interesting reading here. So this certificate of origin here, it tells us it's a 5296G, white gold, serial number, and it's got the movement number and the case number. It tells us this watch here was sold to a doctor in Queensland, and it was sold through Hourglass, 19th of August 2008. There we go. This is the story of this particular Patek Philippe. On the other side, we've got a few interesting things here. We've got a brochure on the Patek Philippe Museum. We have got invitation to join the Patek Philippe archives with a self-addressed envelope. There we go. And we've also got the collector's library. These are some Patek books that are available. And finally, we've got a list of Patek Philippe distributors and authorized resellers and authorized service centers throughout the world. So there you go, guys. This is a complete box and papers set from Patek. This is a Patek Philippe 5296. This is what you get. Tell me what you think, guys. What do you think? What do you think indeed? I'm Paul Pluter. This has been an honor to present my Patek Philippe. Tell me what you think. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, and also tell your other gurus to buy a Patek Philippe. See you later, guys.